Hello, this is Vitaly Zu. Welcome to my screencast presentation on process redesign of inventory management system. And in today's presentation, I'll talk about the current process and its issues the ABC Retail Company experiences. I'll talk about the proposed redesign process of its implementation and the expected benefits and the result of implementing the new process. There are several issues with the old inventory management process that I would like to redesign. First, is that the company is using the periodic inventory system, which requires a physical semi-annual count of inventory. By using this system, we don't have an adequate level of inventory in stock. There's always room for error, and as the issues arise, they are not corrected right away. There's a potential lost sales due to stock shortages, and overall it's a time-consuming recounting process. Perpetual inventory system will replace the periodic inventory system we currently have in place, and it's gonna have differences. First, it will no longer require semi-annual physical recount of the inventory. The process will be automated and computer controlled. Second, it's gonna have impact on the accounting because the separate purchase account was no longer required for the perpetual inventory system because all of the sales and purchases will be from now on recorded in the inventory account. It's gonna have its impact on the purchasing process. It's gonna minimize the errors and simplify the overall buying process, and all of these will be implemented by utilizing Microsoft Dynamics CRM features that's already in place. So the new redesign process doesn't require additional funding to be implemented. The implementation process will go in 3 steps and should be completed before the start of the new fiscal year, so the accounting will be synchronized with the new inventory system. The first step will be updating the database. We'll update the supplier information for every product we'll have in stock, along with the cost and any other necessary information. Second step, we'll perform a physical recount of the inventory we currently have in place, and we'll enter that information in the database. And the third step, we'll test the new inventory system by creating purchase orders and randomly checking items in inventory to ensure proper operation and accurate number of merchandise in stock. As a result of implementing the new system, we should see the following benefits: reduction of purchasing errors, simplification of the purchasing process, reduction of cost of goods sold. On the right hand side, we have a graph that shows the percent reduction of the cost of goods sold just within 2 months of the implementation. It will drop to 6%, and trend analysis shows the further reduction up to 12% within the next 6 months. The additional benefits are liberation of cash flow and increased customer satisfaction. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.